I'm David Owens. I'm currently a senior in high school, and I'm a member of Maryland Young Americans for Freedom. With me are my two parents, Owens and Owens. All of us were on the Tea Party Express tour. Our family has always had the tradition of having a religion in our family, and that's Christianity. We've always valued religion, and family and faith have always been very important to us. I'm concerned with the religious freedoms that we cherish will be threatened by the nomination of Elena Kagan to the Supreme Court. Kagan is a judicial activist and has a political agenda when she will be nominated to the Supreme Court if that happens. Essentially, being a judicial activist means Elena Kagan is going to make political decisions based off of her own political views and not that of the Constitution. Which, I mean, that in itself is a threat to religious freedom, because if she decides that she doesn't agree with Christianity, then in a court ruling she could favor against Christianity or any other religion for that case. Her policy is automatically a threat to religious liberty because she said there needs to be some freedom for government to act within the boundaries of the First Amendment, and she said that the government needs to essentially be free to act within that area without being challenged by the First Clause challenges, which protects the First Amendment and our religious freedoms within the Constitution. Many of the policies that Kagan supports as part of her judicial agenda can harm religious liberty in America. For example, Kagan is a bold supporter of the gay lifestyle and partial birth abortion, which are both considered to be sins for many popular religions within the United States, including Christianity, Judaism, and Islam. If Kagan does become a Supreme Court justice, and a case involving a gay marriage or abortions does arise challenging religious liberties, such as the Catholic Church being forced to recognize gay marriage in D.C. law, how would Kagan judge? Would she judge off of her personal feelings, or would she judge off of the Constitution and what's ethically correct? Her record speaks for itself. We have seen her choose and ignore cases as Solicitor General based on it fitting her own judicial agenda. Again, this is not that entire ruling was off of her own personal political views and not that of the Constitution. Another example would be when she kicked the military off of the campus at Harvard because of what she viewed as discrimination of the gays to fit her own judicial agenda. While she may not be a religious individual, our family's faith is important and currently protected by the Constitution, as are many families in the United States of America. While we might not agree on what is right, she is wrong to step in our religious liberties and fit them to our own agenda and step over the boundaries that our founding fathers instituted in the Constitution. For families such as mine, my parents, my three siblings, and many other families across America, religious liberty is not only an option, it's a necessity to stand in the lines of tradition and heritage that have been in America for over 200 years. And Elena Kagan simply threatens that with the policy and her paper trail of decisions she made regarding that issue.